We are in Westfield, 8 o'clock in the
Westfield.
morning, and we're there to pick up our iPhone 6.
Yes! No make. I've got an 8 o'clock.
Thank you. Trina.
Suspense.
I know.
Hey, look at that.
Pretty,
Nice,
isn't
huh?
it? Yeah.